Meet Kaylee. A while back, she became Chief Revenue Officer at a thriving company. Like most companies, they used a variety of systems to manage revenue. Kaylee dreamed of running her business like a well-oiled machine. But as the company grew, the complexity grew and grew and grew. Each line of products came with price books, selling tools, affiliates, billing systems. Nothing was connected, and customers could feel the friction. If a customer bought multiple products, they'd get a separate invoice for each one. Behind the scenes, it was worse. Sales did whatever they had to close deals, and finance cleaned up the mess, causing them to reject orders, even throw revenue in the trash. All the complexity made it hard to grow. So Kaylee got Revenue Cloud, an end-to-end revenue management system. Now, selling is easy. Sales reps make accurate quotes with any revenue model for deals of any size or complexity. And Kaylee is really in control. She opens a new revenue stream, onboarding a new channel partner. And since they use the same tools as her internal sales teams, she can see what's happening in her channel sales business in real time. For deals that don't need a sales rep, Kaylee launches an online store, so customers can make simple purchases, manage payments, and check order status all on their own, which frees up sales to close the big deals. And since all transactions are on the same platform, there's a seamless handoff from sales to finance. With Revenue Cloud, the sales process is automatic across every channel, from quote to order to billing, which puts front and back office on the same page. The books are clean. The customer gets one accurate invoice, and Kaylee has a single source of truth for revenue data. Take control of revenue growth across every channel with Salesforce Revenue Cloud.